So, does that sound interesting to you? We've just ruined that call by saying, does that sound interesting? Or do you think this is interesting? Or might that be of interest? The reason why is what we're doing is we're shifting the focus on who the expert here in the situation is from us, the person who understands this solution, to the buyer, the one who didn't know what the solution was when we called them up 5 minutes ago. So asking if someone's interested is a crazy idea because you should have done your research first. Didn't you qualify the lead? Didn't you decide, do you know what, this person should be spoken to in a meeting, in a phone call, face to face, by email, whatever it is? To ask if something's interesting suggests that you need to check if that person finds this interesting or not. You need to be more assumptive. Here's the solution we need to be looking for. Rather than asking if it's interesting, tell them it's what they need, because you've established what their need is to start with, and you tell them it's what they need as a solution. You prescribe that to them, and then ask them what part feels of most value. By asking in that way, what we're saying is it's all of value, but what bits stood out most to you? If I'm asking if it's interesting, that question's begging an answer that may be, yes, it's interesting, which should be a given anyway, or no, not really. You're offering an option of this being of no interest. Be more assumptive. It's far more effective in the way you come across, and it maintains your position as the expert that has done their research, and when they've spoken to that prospect, identified a need, and shown them exactly the best solution. Check out more videos like this, and you'll see exactly how I've navigated the sales process over the years and saved people so much heartbreak because they've understood these little things that make all the difference in deal making.